If you've been researching Bowling Green, Kentucky, and you're wondering where all the beautiful homes on Acreage are, where families are finding top-rated schools, and where people seem to get a little more space without being an hour from town, then you need to know about Alvaton. The funny thing is, most people moving to Kentucky have never even heard of it. But once they see it, it usually ends up on the short list. Today I'm going to break down what Alvaton is, where it is, and why so many families want to live here, where the top schools are, where the different budgets can buy, and why this area has become one of the most sought-after communities in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Bowling Green or the surrounding communities. My name is Melissa. My team and I get calls and texts and emails every single day from people just like you looking to make their smooth move to Kentucky, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or even better, send us an email, schedule time to meet on Zoom. We would love to help you make a smooth move to Kentucky. Now let's start with a question I get all the time, because where exactly is Alvaton? It's technically not a city. It's an unincorporated community just southeast of Bowling Green by about 9.5 miles. Most locals think of Alvaton as the surrounding Scottsville Road, Cemetery Road, Plano Road, and Drakes Creek area. So coming from Plano Road all the way up to Cemetery Road, in that general vicinity is where most people think of Alvaton. It's also known as the 42122 zip code. And honestly, if you're not looking for it, you could drive right through parts of it and never realize you're in one of the most desirable areas of Warren County. Unlike most suburbs that feel heavily developed, Alvaton has managed to keep most of its rural character. You'll find neighborhoods tucked between horse farms, custom homes sitting on acreage, rolling countryside, and scenic drives that still feel very Kentucky. And at the same time, you're only minutes from shopping, restaurants, healthcare, and everything that Bowling Green has to offer, and that's a huge reason why people are drawn here. So what makes Alvaton special isn't necessarily one thing, it's a combination of things. People move here because they want more space. They want larger lots, views, a little more privacy, and they still want to have a covered back porch to look out at trees and fields and countryside and not their neighbor's vinyl fence. And the thing I hear the most often from relocation buyers is, I want some land, but I don't want to feel isolated, and that's exactly what Alvaton affords you. You can get a little bit more acreage, still find custom homes, but you also find neighborhoods with larger lots, and you're not sacrificing that convenience. You can get to Target, the medical center, or Nashville on I-65 really easily because you're only 9 miles away from Bowling Green itself, and it's a really easy commute to come up Scottsville Road, which is a highway. Let's talk about one of the biggest reasons that people are moving to Alvaton, Kentucky, and it has to do with the schools. Many of the homes here feed into Alvaton Elementary School, which is located right behind me, Drakes Creek Middle School, and Greenwood High School. So many relocating families, that's one of their biggest draws, because Greenwood is known for strong academics, active parent involvement, competitive athletics, school spirit, and a variety of extracurricular activities. So they have things like the FFA that's very, very active within the school, and they also have a really strong athletic program. And we have a lot of people that will move to the area specifically because they want their children to participate in some of those athletics that the school offers, as well as the extracurriculars and the school clubs. Today I'm going to take you to 3 different communities in the Alvaton area and show you what you can get and bang for your buck when you're buying here in Alvaton. First, we're going to start off in Dove Point. Now this is one of my favorite neighborhoods for entry-level buyers. You can actually get brand new construction here for the low 300s. We actually got a buyer here that relocated, found us on YouTube, and she's getting a brand new semi-custom built home where she got to come in. They have an amazing design center. She was able to pick out finishes, and she's getting a brand new start to finish home for around $330,000. We're going to be talking about this one because you can get into Alvaton surprisingly affordable. We are able to save almost $30,000 per lot by coming here to Dove Point versus going somewhere in South Warren, for example. So you'll find homes built by Jago that have modern layouts, energy efficiency construction, community amenities, and pricing that is much more affordable than people expect. Buyers who are wanting new construction without jumping into luxury pricing, Dove Point is an excellent option. They have an amazing 10-year warranty. It covers 1 year door-to-door, 2 years on most of your systems, and up to 10 years on the structure. So if you want to talk about Jago Homes and how you can get into something new starting for just around the $300 price point, this is a great option for you. Now for our buyers that are looking for something a little bit more move up in size, a little bit more spacious, larger lot, I would definitely check out Drakes Ridge. It's one of those neighborhoods that locals know really well. It's right off Scottsville Road, so it's super convenient to be able to get to everything in Bowling Green, but it has beautiful homes that were built in the late 2018, 2019 era, a little bit early 2020. They have a little bit more mature landscaping, larger floor plans, very strong resale value. We're starting to see these homes come up on market now. like the one behind me. This is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,922 square feet, priced at $689,900. It was built in 2018. It has a screened-in back porch, fire pit, wood floors, bonus room, and a saltwater pool. So since this is a non-gated neighborhood, HOA fees are low, but there aren't a lot of amenities. You're gonna find homes like these, and they've already built some of the amenities in the property. So this is definitely one of those that if you're looking in the upper fives, is worth adding to your list. If I were looking at new construction right now and I wanted to have something more luxury, this is definitely a neighborhood I would be paying attention to. This is called Poplar Grove. And here you're gonna home start in the 3,000 to 4,000 square foot range, maybe a little bit larger. Generally, they're gonna be 4 to 5 bedrooms. And I really like this neighborhood. This is where buyers start to see that Alvaton luxury doesn't always mean gated subdivisions. We have custom and semi-custom homes in the neighborhoods. They're larger lots with beautiful views. It's off of Scottsville Road, so you're quick and easy access to everything that Bowling Green has to offer, but you have more luxury level finishes. The home behind me is actually a 4-bed, 3-bath with 3,211 square feet on 0.72 of an acre, and it's priced at $689,900 currently. There are homes in phases in this neighborhood that have up to 1.9 acres. So if you're looking for something that has a backyard big enough that you feel like you don't look necessarily at your neighbor's yard and you have room to put in an in-ground pool, this is definitely one to consider. One of the things I love about Alvaton is it still feels connected to the community. You have places like Fillmore Park where families gather for sports and activities. You have local favorites like Split Tree Barbecue. We're here right now getting a delicious barbecue sandwich. They're one of the top rated around in the area. And you have easy access to Scottsville Road for shopping, dining, and everyday conveniences. Even if you're just outside Bowling Green, it feels a little bit quieter. It's a little slower, a little more connected to the countryside. We actually live in Alvaton. I can't imagine really living anywhere else. I tend to fall in love with a lot of listings, but I just can't find anything that appeals to me quite like Alvaton does. So if you're interested in the Alvaton area, my team and I would love to connect with you and help you find the perfect home here and make it a smooth move to Kentucky. So if Alvaton feels like it could be the right move for you, reach out to us. My team and I would love to help you make it a smooth move to Kentucky. Our contact information is in the description below.